Want to master grill assembly and be ready for that first cookout? Today, we're walking through simple steps to make assembling your grill easier. Before you begin, it's key to read the grill's manufacturer instructions so you know what to expect and how complex the build will be. Make sure you have a spacious, shaded work area where you can spread out. If you're assembling it indoors, check that the finished grill will fit out the door before you start. Lay down a tarp on the floor to protect the grill and help keep track of small parts. Then, lay out your tools, like screwdrivers, wrenches, or hex keys. Don't use any power tools for this project to avoid over-tightening or damaging the grill parts. Carefully unpack the grill and check the packing materials for any manuals or parts bags. Get help with heavier pieces and match all parts to the parts list. Keep them within reach and in their bags until needed. Assembly steps vary by grill, so follow your manual closely. Start with the frame and wheels, making sure everything's facing the right way. Then attach the firebox or the griddle if you have a flat-top grill, followed by any side trays, burners, and extras like the lid handle, knobs, or grease cup. Before your first cookout, remove any protective material from the grill and move it into place. For gas grills, connect the fuel source. Then, register your warranty, store the instructions and receipt, and recycle the packaging. And that's it. Now you're ready to fire up your grill and start cooking. Lowe's also offers professional assembly options to save you time and effort.